that voice, the right one, said to me, he said, Lauren, you know, the real you is more interesting than the fake somebody else. Truth is from the inside out, you know, and the way we've been trying to heal and be healed is with these superficial, temporary solutions. True healing is from the inside out.
So my curls is looking a little dry, so we're gonna try to make them look like this, and I'm gonna show y'all how. So if your curly hair is dry like mine, you need to break it down into different sections so that it's easier to detangle, because yeah, trying to detangle this in one go, it's kind of insane. And let's work smarter, not harder, you feel me? But since you're here, you should probably go like, comment, and subscribe, because we're bringing more content to the channel, yeah. Now that we got all our sections, I'm gonna go in with a mist bottle spray and a BioSilk therapy. That's gonna make the hair like easier to detangle and shiny as well. Y'all, I be having the most stankiest look on my face when I'm combing my wigs like this my actual hair. Like, I be acting like I can feel it for real. Okay, so you're gonna wrap the hair around and around, and you're gonna leave it on the iron for like 5 to 6 seconds, because it shouldn't take that long to curl. And then once you're done, you just pull it out and scrunch, and you let it go. And yeah, we're just gonna keep repeating this cycle, because that's really all to it. You just keep wrapping the hair around. You want to make sure that you did detangle like really well though, so that you can get the perfect curl. And yeah, but anyways, how y'all been? I feel like I don't really be asking y'all that, but how y'all been? If y'all been well, if y'all haven't been well, let me know in the comments, like, what's really going on, what's tea? Because I'm gonna let y'all know what's going on in my life. Like, we're going into a new year, y'all, and I want to do some things differently. Like, I might be bringing some new content to the channel. I do art on the side, so I'm trying to figure out how to bring that to the channel if y'all are interested in that, because I am. So but yeah, we're just gonna do the same thing on the other side. Boom boom bow, you feel me? Yeah, get into it. Yeah. Anyways, y'all, I seen this quote. It was so pretty. Like, I was just like, damn, like, I need to start doing that. But the quote was, romanticize your life, take pretty pictures, feel like the main character, light up a candle, read a book, go for a walk, dance to your favorite music, buy yourself presents, do whatever you want, be happy. This is your life. Don't let anyone take it from you. I just feel like a lot of the times we get so caught up into pouring into other people that we don't pour into ourselves, and we forget about giving ourselves grace and allowing us to make mistakes, or just, you know, taking yourself out on a date, practicing self-love. Like, I feel like we need to practice that a little bit more all 2024. And yeah, just explore life, experience it, be in the present. And it doesn't have to be the way that it is normally practiced for self-love. You just have to do whatever makes you happy, like the quote said, and just find whatever brings you peace and whatever fulfills your happiness. And I ain't gonna lie, this is a tedious process, so listen to some music, watch a movie or something, like, if you don't have a lot of patience, because, you know, this requires that. But yeah, we made it to the top or whatever, you know. We made it to the top. I don't know, when I do these curls, I be feeling like Nicki Minaj or something. Like, when she be having her blonde curls, it's so cute. Like, it be looking so cute on her. But speaking of the girls, like, if you are a girl's girl as a woman, I fucks with you heavy, because it is a lot of pick-me's out here, and I just be like, ugh. Like, it gives me the actual ick. Like, I just be like, please stop. Especially when they be like, oh, I only hang out with men, I can't stand women. Like, girl.
Damn. It's a bunch of bull.
Like, it needs to be more uplifting of one another and giving each other our flowers, because you are my sister, like I said. So I forgot to record the part of me using the holding spray. But yeah, just make sure you spray your curls with something so that they can stay. But yeah, these are so cute. Oh my gosh. Then we're just gonna go in and finger detangle. And y'all, let's not detangle too much, because we're gonna go in with a comb to, like, you know, fluff it up just a little bit. But yeah, this is gonna be so cute in the end. And then with the comb, we're just gonna pick the roots only, because I really love big hair, and it just reminds me of SZA when she was in her Control era. So yeah, this is the final look. After a while it will get bigger and longer, but I really hope y'all enjoyed this freaking video, because I know I did. But yeah, subscribe.